how to enable or disable background app refresh on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the crown button on the Apple Watch. Then press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. In here, you can tap on the settings icon, and then we go down and tap on General. Next, scroll down, then tap on Background App Refresh, and then tap on Background App Refresh toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can also scroll down and you can select each individual app if you want to control each individual app, whether they can use Background App Refresh or not. Now these settings here can also be changed from your iPhone. On the iPhone, just simply open up the Watch app, then tap on My Watch. Next tap on General. Then we go down, and in here, tap on Background App Refresh. And at the top, tap on the Background App Refresh toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.